I don't have a lot of time to record this morning, but I wanted to get on and say good morning. This is my first morning in Cancun. Let's see, it's pretty quiet. It's an interesting traveling experience. We did have security called on us once. Don't tell anyone though, okay? Because it's top secret. We weren't doing anything wrong either. They're just really strict in customs for some reason. Funny stories. I'm not sure how much time I'm going to have to record this week, but I thought I'd jump on while I could. I'm not going to show you my coffee cup because I'm just going to show you a picture. I have like a Mexican version of an espresso machine down here, and thanks to my lovely friends on YouTube and my sister, I know how to use it, I think. I don't know, I just keep pushing buttons until the cup is as full as I want it. And it works out and it tastes good, but wanted to jump on, say happy Sunday, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye.